Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, so then solving this Leetcode 2042, check if numbers are ascending in a sentence. So sentence is a list of tokens separated by a single space in which no leading or trailing space. Every token is either positive number considered digit 0 to 9 with no leading zeros, or a word consists of lowercase. Okay, so you just see an example, maybe easier. So a puppy has 2 eyes and 4 legs, so you get 2 and 4. Okay. And you need to check that whether all the number in it is strictly increasing. If it's true, if it's strictly increasing, it's true. Otherwise, return false. So one box has 3 blues, 4 red, 6 greens, and 12 yellow marbles. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 6, 12. True. Okay, and this is 5, 5 is not true. 751 is it's okay, but 50, 60 are not okay. Okay, so this is false, and this is true. Okay, so this is very simple. You first split, right? Once you split, then you can get each of the word, and then you go through it. If it's digits, then you append it in and change into the integer. Okay, so basically this part is only can give all the number you have. So for example, let's maybe see this one. Let's print this list. So this list will contains 1, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then you just take and check whether all the answer I less than answer I must 1, I plus 1 for all the range go to length minus 1. Right, so you just check whether 1 less than 3, 3 less than 4, 4 less than 6, 6 and 12. And then check all of it to be true. Okay, so Python has a very cute using all, right? So all of these will be true for a list which each element is true or false, and then you take all. Okay, so this is a very simple problem. So yeah, simple, easy. Okay, so see you guys next videos.